Hi, everyone. So I'm here to go over the homework that you have for February 9th. Remember, all of your homework is due on Sunday at midnight. If you need an extension, please let me know, and I can give an extension until Monday. Also, note that tomorrow on February 3rd, or it's probably today, it's February 3rd on Monday, I'm having an online Zoom session from 3 to 3:30. So you are welcome to stop in if you have any questions or you want to just talk to me about the course. So on the announcement page, you have your homework, a link to your homework for February 9th. So you can click on this homework link, or you can go over here to the course menu bar and click on homework and open up the second week's homework, which is civil disobedience and the novel. So this week, you're going to start by watching this presentation on active reading. We'll have talked about some of it in class. Afterwards, after you watch the presentation, take the quiz on active reading. You can take the quiz as many times as you like, so you should get 100. Then you're going to move into the history module. So the first thing you want to do is the introduction to the history module vocabulary. So we looked at this a little bit in class, and you're going to complete it for homework, sending it back as an attachment. So if you click on this, here is the vocabulary module. It's going to open up in a new window for you. And what you will have to do when this happens is you will need to save as and then download a copy to your computer. This is important because this is the only way that you will be able to edit this document. Once you do that, you can then go through and complete the activities, saving it on your computer. And once you have finished that, you are going to browse your computer, find the file, and click on Open. I'm going to just cancel out. And then you're sending it back to me. And then you click on Submit. And then it will come back to me. After you've done the vocabulary, you can work on the civil disobedience reading and note-taking. So here's the article. I gave it to you in class, but if you need to have it online, you can just click here and open it. Here's the note-taking worksheet. You will not submit this through Blackboard. You will bring this into class with your handwritten notes on it. When you come into class next week beforehand, you're going to take, first of all, a quiz on the role of civil disobedience and democracy. So you take this quiz. The quiz is based on the reading of civil disobedience. Here you can go to Quizlet, and Quizlet is a website that lets you practice the vocabulary. I have already put in the vocabulary here, so you can do flashcards. You can practice writing. You type in the answer. You can go back and choose another kind. You can do spelling, listening. You can do a test, matching, play games. All of these things can help you to learn the vocabulary and have fun at the same time. So then you've finished the article and the vocabulary on civil disobedience, and you're going to take a short quiz on identifying facts versus opinions. When you do this quiz, the answers do not come to me. You're simply going to take the quiz, and then we'll talk about it in class next week. It's very short. After that, we're moving into the novel, Prayers for the Stolen. You'll read pages 13 through 33 and answer the comprehension questions. You answer these questions on paper. Continue to work on your Prayers for the Stolen group presentations. Then I have a little activity here that I kind of thought would be useful in the second week of class, where you're going to answer questions about what is blended learning because you're in a blended class. This is a discussion board. You can then respond to your classmates about some interesting things that they have commented on also. And then the last thing is to choose your book for the extensive reading project. We went over the book choices in class, and now you can choose your book. So you're going to tell us which book you chose and why you chose that book. So that's your homework for the week of February 9th. Cheers.